Welcome back to cleaning this mess. I know you hear the dogs, they're all whiny because it's raining outside. I'll show you that in a minute. First thing I'm going to do in today's video in cleaning that mess is cleaning up Allie's dog shit because she decided to poop while I was gone. Allie doesn't like to go outside and potty when it rains, so every time it rains, she poops in the house. So, if you don't like poop, I'll blur this image. But she pooped right there, and yes, I know you see all this dog hair, and yes, we vacuum every single day. But due to a husky pit mix, a husky, a German shepherd, and a lab, we get lots of hair. We vacuum multiple times a day. Everyone is currently shedding in my house. The second thing I'm gonna do in cleaning this mess is, get ready. I'm sure you can guess what it is. Everyone does it every single day. Let me show you. These dishes, they gotta be washed. But without further ado, let's get to cleaning this mess. Let's clean this mess. Okay, I don't know how to like raise up my, hey, I figured it out. Alright, now I got to put these clean dishes up and wash these dirty ass dishes. Those dishes put up. Now it's time to wash the dirty dishes. So these dishes right here are still wet, so I didn't put them up. I'm gonna let them dry here, and I'm just gonna use this sink right here to put the clean dishes that I'm washing in, and then hopefully I can fit them all in here. If not, I ain't gonna dry them and put them up. I'll wait till later and wash them when we get back home, but I'm gonna do as much as I can in the next 15 minutes, because I only got 15 minutes now. So, let's get our ass to wash it. He's trying to get up on the sink while I'm doing dishes. What you doing? You don't want that? It's got soap on it. Do a silly kitty. Silly kitty. Silly kitty. Oh. Hi, baby. Ew, that got soap on it. Don't lick that. You're nasty. You're nasty. And get back to work. For me, take what you wanna go. of these dishes done. I didn't have room for these, but everything is all put up. I will finish these when we get back tonight from Trunk or Treat. And by trunk or treat, I mean gym treat, because we're gonna be doing trunk or treat in the gym because it has been storming all day. So that means no trunk or treat. And yes, you know, you see Allie in her kennel, and that is because I was vacuuming and doing dishes. And now I'm about to take a shower. So the only dog that can be out whenever I'm not dog sitting them is Elle. And that's because she's the only one that doesn't knock over dishes, get in their dog food, poop or pee in the house. I don't know why the rest of them do that. They're all house trained and crate trained and shit, but she's the only one who won't do it. I hope that you enjoyed this clean with mess with me. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning this mess with me. I am soaked. You can't really see, but there's water everywhere. It feels like I peed my pants. So I'm gonna shower. It's 12:45. I need to leave to get the kids at 1:30. So I will see you guys in the next cleaning this mess video. See you later, friends.